Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on the waste characteristics in solid waste management. See, in order to identify the exact characteristics of the municipal waste, it is very much necessary to analyze the physical and the chemical parameters in it. So when I want to speak about the characteristics, I have two types here. One is a physical characteristics and the second one is a chemical characteristics. And in the physical characteristics, what do you mean by physical? Like information or a data on the physical characteristics of a solid waste, which is very much important for the selection and the operation for equipment or a machinery, or to analyze or how to design the disposal facilities. My first parameter in the physical characteristics is density. What do you mean by density? Density is nothing but it's a ratio of volume per mass. So density of a waste, it's a mass per volume, and it is a critical factor which is designed in the solid waste management system. For example, we have to design the landfills or a storage room or a collection point, or I need to select a kind of transportation vehicle. So density plays a very important role whenever we go for all these parameters. So to explain in an efficient way, landfill which demands the compaction of the waste to the optimum density. So any normal compaction equipment can be achieved by reduction in the volume of the waste by 75%, which increases its initial density, and the density will be varied from 100 kg per meter cube to 400 kg per meter cube. The second parameter is the moisture content. When we want to speak about the moisture content, it is defined as the ratio of the weight of water. I can say it is a wet weight divided minus the dry weight divided by the wet weight. When I take it in a percentage, so we can identify what is the amount of moisture content that is present in the waste. And if more moisture content, the treatment process as well as an equipment or a machinery has to be selected in appropriate way. So as the moisture increases, in the weight of the solid waste also increases, and there becomes a tedious task, or the cost for collecting and the transportation of waste also it increases. Because the moisture content is directly proportional to weight, and weight is directly proportional to the cost of collection and transportation. In addition to this, the moisture content, which is a critical determinant in the economic feasibility of the waste treatment, because the waste consumes more energy of evaporation, more energy for evaporating of water, and raising in the temperature also be more for removal of the water vapors. So hence we can calculate the moisture percentage using the given formula, where wet weight minus dry weight divided by wet weight gives you the moisture content. The third parameter here we are going to speak about the size. Size in the sense, what is the size of the waste that it is going to hold. So size in the sense, the measurement of the size, the distribution of a particle in the waste stream is very much important, because it is having its own significance in the design of mechanical separator and the shredders. So when I want to select any equipment, I want a shredder for reduction of the what is that particles. So what is the kind of shredder you are going to select? So if the more size, like my waste is of bigger size, then I need to go for the appropriate machineries. So generally, as a result, the size distribution analyzes the express in the manner where the soil particles will be analyzed. Hence, there expresses a plot for a particular size against this. So when we speak about the physical characteristics, these are the 3 points wherein we need to have the concern towards the solid waste management. Thank you.